11 Ways to be a Great Friend. Do you have a good friend? Would you consider yourself a good friend? What exactly makes up a good friend? For you, how can you tell if one of your friends is a good friend? Friends are important. These are people you can share things with, make memories with, people you can depend on, and people who are there to support you. Friends are those who make you feel like you have a place in this world, make you feel loved and important. You know the saying, friends are family you choose for yourself. Well, that's the beauty of friendship. You choose who let you in your life and who you keep close to you. That's why friends are a reflection of who you are. Because people tend to be friends with others who have a lot in common with them. Like when you share the same values or ethics, or enjoy doing the same things as them. But regardless if you have a lot in common or you're polar opposites, what's most important is that a good friend is one who loves you. Welcome to Savvy, where we have lots of practical wisdom to share. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more advice here on Savvy. Today, I'll share with you 11 ways to be a great friend. First off, what are the traits that make a good friend? Non-judgmental. You want someone who won't think of you badly or be critical of you as your friend. When you have a friend who is non-judgmental, you feel more loved and encouraged instead of feeling doubt or feeling inferior. Because a good friend would see you as the good person you are and the best person you can be. Accepting. Despite you and your friend's differences, it's important that your friend is accepting of you. True and good friends will always try to understand you. You won't always see eye to eye, but they will be there to accept your differences in opinions or choices because of their love for you. Trustworthy. When your friend is trustworthy, this helps your bond grow stronger. Trust is an important factor in any relationship you have. This helps us build a connection with other people because we're able to depend on others when we share the important things in our lives. Low maintenance. Let's be honest. As we grow older, we tend to have more responsibilities, more important things to attend to. So naturally, we won't always have time for our friends. What's important is that you're there for each other whenever you need it. Even if you haven't talked in a while, you can pick up from where you left off, and the bond of friendship is still there because no amount of time or distance will let it falter. When was the last time you talked to your friend? Remind them of how much you love and care for them. It'll probably make their day. Now, how can you be a good friend? Here are some ways. Make time for your friend. Time is of the essence. A lot of us are busy given our responsibilities. But let's not forget to make time for those who matter. Your connection and bond with another can grow with time and shared experiences. When you make time for your friend, it makes them feel that they are important to you and that you care. So schedule an outing with your friend, get some lunch, or try something you've both been wanting to try together. Open up and be vulnerable. We are most vulnerable when we are ourselves. A good friend is someone you can be yourself around with, where you're comfortable to show all sides of yourself, the good and the bad. Opening up to a friend can make your relationship more meaningful. This is because when you open up, you trust your friend enough with your feelings, because you know that they care and have your best interests at heart. You should be the same for your friends, to make your relationship a more solid and long-lasting one. Pay attention. A good friend is one who listens. Are there some days that you just want to vent out to someone? Like you're having a bad day and you just want someone to sit with you and listen. A good friend is someone who can be there for you and listen. Listening isn't enough either. You have to pay attention. The better you know your friend, the easier it will be to understand your friend. Be willing to push your friends towards their goals. People who love each other naturally support each other. Supporting each other not only means being a cheerleader for those you love, but also pushing them to be better and to grow. With love and respect, you and your friend can be there to support and challenge one another to be the best versions of yourselves. Be open-minded. Being open-minded will help you be non-judgmental and more accepting of others. Do you find yourself always butting heads with other people? Acceptance of the fact that we all have our differences, and that is okay. It is key to being open-minded. By being there to just guide and not force your opinions or thoughts onto your friend, you're able to keep an open mind and allow your friends to make their own choices and decisions. Look out for your friend. A good friend will stand up for you, regardless if you're with them or not. It's scary for some to stick their necks out when in a difficult situation, but someone who cares about you will always be there to fight for you. Friends are important in your life. They are the family we choose for ourselves. Be there for your friend, like they are for you, and you're sure to have someone right by your side. That is enough practical wisdom for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up below. We will be posting 4 to 5 videos per week. So click the subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified of our new videos weekly. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.